Do you have a business and still record your sales on paper or in Excel? Are you tired of losing sales records and making manual errors? The loss of information and manual errors can cost you time and money. Managing stock or inventory can be a tedious and unreliable task. Do you struggle to analyze business trends and performance? Delays in service can frustrate your customers. At Mirx Software, we have a solution for you and your business. With our sales system, all your records are automatically saved and instantly available. Our system integrates sales and stock management to always maintain the perfect balance, avoiding shortages and excesses. Get detailed analyses of your sales performance and make informed decisions, saving you time and money. Offer your customers a fast and efficient shopping experience. We help you take your business to the next level. Contact us today.